What is the rat race? The rat race demonstrates the never-ending competitive nature of climbing the corporate ladder to earn more money to sustain an ever-increasingly extravagant lifestyle. Many people feel trapped in this cycle, struggling to break free and create a more fulfilling life. In this video, we will be going over the main reasons why it is hard to escape the rat race and live a life of financial freedom. But before we dive into the topic, hello and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you get more out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. With that being said, let's dive into the video. Here are some of the reasons why it is hard to escape the rat race. 1. Pressures of society. One of the primary reasons why the rat race is hard to escape is because of societal pressures. From a young age, many people are taught that success means achieving high grades, getting into a good college, finding a high-paying job, and climbing the corporate ladder. These societal expectations can be difficult to overcome, as people may feel like they are letting down their families or communities if they choose a non-traditional path. Society's expectations can create a sense of limitation, making it difficult to think outside the box and explore new opportunities. By breaking free from these expectations, you can open yourself up to new experiences and possibilities that may not have been considered before, while creating a life that is more fulfilling and meaningful to you. 2. Financial obligations. Another reason why the rat race is hard to escape is that many people have financial obligations that make it difficult to leave their jobs or take a risk on a new career path. For example, they may have a mortgage, car payments, or other debts to pay off, and they may not have enough savings to support themselves while they make a career transition. This financial pressure can make it difficult for people to take risks or pursue their passions. A big reason why many have huge financial obligations is because they spend more than they earn. When you spend more than you earn, you accumulate debt and create a cycle of financial stress that can be difficult to break. Before contemplating trying to leave the rat race, it would be sensible to conduct the following. Creating a budget. By creating a budget, you can track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and prioritize your spending. This can help you free up more money to put towards your financial obligations and building up an emergency fund. Pay down debt. High levels of debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom and escaping the rat race. One strategy for paying down debt is the snowball method, in which you focus on paying off your smallest debts first, then move on to larger debts. This can create a sense of momentum and motivation as you see your debts decreasing over time. Increase your income. Increasing your income can be a powerful way to overcome financial obligations. This may involve asking for a raise at work, starting a side hustle, or pursuing new career opportunities. By increasing your income, you can put more money towards paying off debt and achieving financial freedom. Downsize your lifestyle. If your financial obligations are overwhelming, downsizing your lifestyle can be a way to free up more money. This may involve moving to a smaller home, selling unnecessary possessions, or cutting back on non-essential expenses. By simplifying your life and living more frugally, you can reduce your financial obligations and create more freedom. 3. Fear of the unknown. The third reason why escaping the rat race is difficult is the fear of the unknown. The prospect of leaving a stable job and entering the unknown can be daunting for many people. They may fear failure or the potential loss of their financial security. These fears can paralyze people and make it difficult for them to take the first steps towards a new career or lifestyle. To truly escape the rat race, you must take calculated risks. The first step in taking calculated risks to escape the rat race is to identify what you want to achieve. This may involve identifying your passions, values, and priorities. What do you want your life to look like? What kind of work do you find fulfilling? Answering these questions can help you develop a clear vision for the future and establish a sense of purpose. The next step is to develop a clear plan and strategy. This may involve setting clear goals, identifying potential obstacles, and developing contingency plans. It's important to have a solid plan in place, as it can help you stay focused and motivated, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Then, of course, the next step is to take action, as no matter how good a plan is without action, it is just a dream. Procrastination kills more dreams than failure. To conclude, while escaping the rat race requires courage, creativity, and strategic planning, it is possible. It often involves taking calculated risks, making sacrifices, and being willing to step outside of one's comfort zone to pursue new opportunities. Nonetheless, with determination and perseverance, anyone can escape the rat race and create a fulfilling and meaningful life. That is it for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos like this.